If you work on creative projects, you know the drill. It's pitching ideas at every phase of the process, and getting buy-in from collaborators to stakeholders is part of the job. So how do you actually communicate your vision? With design, saying an idea is one thing. Showing it is another, and that's where Adobe Firefly comes in. The Remix feature in Boards helps you turn a mashup idea into something visual. Think of it as your this meets that tool. It's a fast way to explore visual direction, especially when words alone aren't cutting it. Here's how it works. Bring your inspiration images onto your board's canvas, select at least 2 or more if you're feeling bold, and click the Remix icon. You'll get a fresh set of images that fuse visual elements from everything you selected. For example, try combining images of plants and crops with sleek hairstyles. You'll get outputs that merge playful texture with polished form. Want to explore or refine one of the outputs? Select the eyedropper tool, then use it on an image and click Describe. You'll see a new prompt for that image, ready for you to tweak or build on. It's a great way to articulate the style or characteristics of the image you like. From there, you can add subprompts from other inspiration, click Generate, and you'll see new variations based on your updated prompt. Looking for more control over the result? Try using a composition reference. After you click Remix and load, add a composition reference in the prompt bar and click Generate. This helps maintain visual coherence when generating new assets. Quick tip: each image generated with Remix is built from slightly different subprompts, so it's worth selecting each output and clicking Load to see what's driving the result. Ready to riff on a Remix output? Try the Vary tool. Select any remixed image, click Vary, and Firefly will generate new variations. Just like with Remix, you can click Load on any output to see the subprompts and refine from there. Think of Remix and Vary as complementary tools. Together, they help you explore a wide range of visual possibilities, especially when you're experimenting with style, layout, or creative tone. Whether you're pitching a concept or just chasing a spark, these tools help you move from idea to image without breaking your flow. It's a way to stay connected to your vision even as it evolves. A real-world use case for the Remix tool. Say you're working on a product line and you want to brainstorm ways to evolve your brand's imagery by incorporating trending aesthetics. The Remix tool is a quick way to mash up existing images of your product with the latest consumer craze. A recent trend: peak travel. With more people ready to get out of their offices and homes and explore nature, there's been a noticeable uptick in visits to mountainous destinations. Now, imagine you're leading creative for a clothing brand. You want to showcase your apparel in peak travel scenarios. Think rugged hikes, scenic overlooks, and wide open trails. You could load your product images to boards, then find visuals of popular peak travel destinations. Select one from each category, hit Remix, and see how your clothing could be visualized in exciting outdoor settings. It's a fast way to explore fresh combinations and keep your campaigns culturally relevant. Remix and Vary are 2 of the most powerful tools in Firefly Boards. Use Remix to mash up 2 or more images, no prompt required. Want more control? Tweak your prompts or add a composition reference to guide the output. Then use Vary to explore fresh directions and unexpected takes. Whether you're refining a concept or building something unexpected, Boards helps you communicate your vision and evolve it with clarity, speed, and creative control. So go ahead, remix, vary, refine, because sometimes the hardest part isn't having the idea, it's showing it. And now you can.